Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you something a little bit different once again. I'm going to show you how to make my Guinness beer bread. Right, this tastes great with a nice good hearty soup. Alright, here I've got 3 cups of wholemeal flour, and I'm going to add in a good teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to use iodized table salt. Give all of that a bit of a mix through, just like that. And I have actually sifted that through that little colander just to get any lumps out of it. So here I'm going to add in about 3 tablespoons worth of caster sugar straight into a jug, just like that. And I'm going to add in 375 ml, once it finally happens, of room temperature Guinness. Right, it's not the whole can, but 375 ml of that, or milliliters. So just carefully using a jug that has increments on the side, you'll be able to judge how much of that you need to put in. So just add that straight in, and if you haven't tried cooking with Guinness before, it's a really understated product. It just adds so much flavour to anything you make, and this bread does work out beautifully. 7 grams of yeast, dried yeast. I'm going to put that in as well, as if the Guinness does not have enough yeast in it. This is just going to add a little bit more fluffiness to it. Give all of that a good bit of a stir, just like that. And I'm going to set that aside for about 20 minutes or so until the you'll see that actually bloom. It'll go a little bit fluffy. So just add that straight into your bread and salt mixture, just like that, and we will start stirring away. And believe it or not, if you use those quantities, this will come together. It might seem a little bit dry at first. Resist putting any more moisture into it, because we're going to give that a quick knead for a few minutes or so, and it'll start coming together even more. Okay, just keep kneading that in the bowl, just like that, or put it on the bench if you want to. Alright, we're just going to give that one more bit of a knead, just like that. Really nice and easy. Now this is a bit of a longer process than making a traditional beer bread or a beer damper, so don't be put off by that, because the end result is definitely worth it. Alright, I'm going to give that a good knead, and all we're going to do now, a little bit of oil straight in the bottom of our bowl there. I've given that a good wipe out with a bit of paper towel, and we're also going to give that a little bit of a spread with a bit of paper towel as well, just to stop the dough sticking to the bowl. Right, that's going to go straight in, just like that, and I'm going to put that into a nice warm place. I'm going to cover that with a tea towel, and nice warm place, and I'm going to let that sit for about 2 hours and let it rise. A little bit of flour on the board after that point, just like that. It's just to stop things sticking. And this bread is not going to rise like your traditional bread. It's going to be a little bit denser, a little bit more like a pumpernickel style or density, but I tell you what, it works great with a soup. So just give that a quick knead again for a few minutes, right, just like that. Really nice and simple, and as you can see, it's quite a thick dough. And I'm also going to just give that a bit of a roll up. Just spread that out. I'm not going to roll it with a pin or anything, just spread it out with the hands. I'm going to roll that up just like that. Really nice and simple. Don't push too hard. Okay, and I'm just going to basically give that a quick little bit of a score with a knife. Unfortunately, I did not score it properly, so it does not turn out the best in the end. I'm just going to put that into a little loaf tin with a bit of oven paper, a bit of greaseproof paper, and I'm going to set that aside again for about another 30 minutes. Right, that's going now into the oven at 180 degrees for about 30 minutes or so, and it should come out looking something like that. How good does that look? Alright, all I need to do now is let that cool down a little bit on a wire rack, nice and carefully. Okay, just nice and careful, and we slice that up, and we'll be able to serve that up with a little bit of butter or something like that, and of course a nice pumpkin soup or something like that. Okay, so let's give that a nice little slice through, just using a bread knife. No rocket science to that, and it's still just that little bit warm. Okay, just slice that up. Beautiful. As I said, it's a little bit of a denser bread, and it does go really well with a soup. Okay, so serve that up, a little bit of butter just like that, and serve it up with your favourite creamy type soup. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It's not that hard to do, and it does taste amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known as KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something a little bit different, just like this one, and my Guinness beer bread, we need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat that beautiful soup with my amazing Guinness beer bread, and I will catch you next time. Bye.